Hello, today I'm in Ford Explorer. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and now select Connect Phone. Tap Select Mobile Phone and now on your smartphone enter Bluetooth settings. Now scroll to the bottom of the list. Here you've got list of available devices. Select your smartphone and now confirm pairing on it. Allow and tap continue. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.